The true meaning of the swastika.
The Greeks, Tibet,
No,
Japan,
it wasn't invented by Hitler.
All the religions, pretty much. They knew about Polaris. That's right, Polaris is the pole star, the North Star. This is the Big Dipper, and the Little Dipper is hugging it. So, yep, you can see it right here. The Big Dipper is this one, the big one, and you can find the Little Dipper, which is here. The Little Dipper points to the top of the Little Dipper points to the Big Dipper. So the Big Dipper's outside and the Little Dipper's right inside. That's a fact. So it looks just like this. There's the Little Dipper, there's the Big Dipper. So anytime you want to find the Little Dipper, it's always respect to it like that. So that's why I always draw the swastika on my zodiac wheel. Because when you look up, that's what you're seeing, okay? So wherever you are on the earth, if you're in Australia, which is down here, and I place this on top, then you're down here in the Tropic of Capricorn. So if you want to see the Milky Way galaxy, you have to wait until wintertime for the Northern Hemisphere, actually summertime. Because when the sun enters winter, it covers the Milky Way galaxy, which would be there, the core of the Milky Way galaxy. When the sun is in Cancer, it's not covering the core of the Milky Way galaxy because the core of the Milky Way galaxy is not over here in Cancer. It's over here in Scorpio. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So you have to be south of the hemisphere. Oop, I'm not supposed to bring that with me. So when you're south of the equator, south of the equator means southern hemisphere, north of the equator is north hemisphere. So obviously Capricorn is south of the equator, not north of the equator like up here. So in order to see the core of the Milky Way galaxy, you literally have to be south hemisphere. It's called the galactic core. It's going to be under the horizon if you're north hemisphere. As you go southern hemisphere, you can start seeing it. Because the Milky Way's core is pretty much right here. The Milky Way literally cuts through this. It cuts through, and I'm going to show you. The Milky Way cuts through Gemini and Orion's belt and Taurus, and it cuts over here through Scorpio and Sagittarius. That's Capricorn, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Libra. So this is the real Dendera stone in Egypt with all the zodiacs. So it's right there. So you can see Scorpio and Sagittarius. Scorpio and Sagittarius. So the core of the Milky Way is right between these two. That's the core of the Milky Way. And that means that these signs are down here. Well, I know that they're down here because they are, because you can't see, you can't take a picture, you can't take this image unless you are in South America, which is south of the equator, or South Africa.